Hey there, my name is Bree from 1134 Press, where we share bookmaking, journaling, and paper craft inspiration. So welcome back to a Junk Journal with Me session. In today's episode, I am collaging in my self-care index that we made last week. The primary purpose of this journal is to take notes on things that I want to try and include in my self-care routine. I did some research on different bath recipes that I wanted to make over the weekend. So to get started, I'm using my Paperang Pocket Printer for today's spread, which made copying and pasting recipes from blogs I found on Pinterest super easy and convenient. I'll link this little pocket printer in the description below if you'd like to check it out. I've had this printer for a while and I always forget to use it, so I'm glad that I get to use it in today's spread. But as I was creating the spread, I started thinking about other materials that I have in my craft stash that I rarely use. One of those things was the sticky notepad that I picked up from a 5 and Below. For those of you not in the US or don't have one, it's just a store where everything is $5 or less. So it's really easy to impulse buy cute things that you probably don't need. And if you're curious about the recipe, it's one for a milk bath, which I've never tried before. And no, you don't pour drinking milk into your bath, but you use powders and can substitute it for coconut milk powder if you'd like. Self-care is really important to me. And if you're into journaling and art journaling, it's probably important to you too. Consider making a journal like this for yourself, or maybe adding a collection or spread in your bullet journal to remind yourself to pick up a new vitamin or try that sandalwood candle you've been eyeing. Aside from pasting in recipes and products, I'm also going to journal about what the benefits are to these items, and when I get around to trying them, I'll take note on what I liked or didn't like about it. You can use this style of journaling for almost any aspect of your life that you want to improve on. The key thing is to be thoughtful and reflective. Journaling is about living intentionally, making sure that you take those extra minutes or however long you need to be intentional about your life. And if I'm being honest, this is something that I've been struggling with since the year began. I've been so hard on myself about living up to expectations that I set for myself that I haven't had time to take a step back and reflect on ways that I could improve my work-life balance. Journaling and crafting is such an important part of my life, and I believe that it's a healing tool that can and should be accessible to everyone. This is why I make these videos every week, and it's my hope that my creations will inspire you to crack open a new notebook or find your own and find balance or catharsis or dreams or just plain fun while you create. So with that being said, I'm going to take a short break from posting to get reorganized. This is something that I was afraid to do because I know you all have been so encouraging and supportive of our videos, and I didn't want to disappoint any of you by missing an upload. But I want to make the best content that I can for you, and when I come back in 2 weeks, there will be so much more to share. Before I quit chatting and let the video play, I want to give a special shout out to members of our little community. I would like to thank Opom21, Linda, Rhonda, and an anonymous donor that supported our channel by buying us a coffee through the link down in the description below. I also want to thank everyone who has purchased any of the materials that I recommended in the links in the description. And I want to thank all of you lovelies that have taken the time to comment, subscribe, and give our videos a thumbs up. All of you have contributed to helping grow this channel, and I appreciate you so much. So, I will see you all in 2 weeks. Thank you for watching. Bye.